everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, I am going to talk about all my favorite makeup and beauty products currently which I have been using for months now. And I really wanted to recommend and talk to you about all these products one by one. So without further talking, let's get directly into the video. Alright, so the first product is one of the most magical products which I had recently talked about on my reels also. So this one is Earth Rhythms Primer, which has sunscreen and which can be used as a moisturizer as well. It's an impeccable product for the shine it gives and for the protection it gives. It says it's a primer, but I like to use it as a daytime moisturizer. I love the packaging. This is the box. It has all the information you would want to know, and this is how the tube looks like. It is so beautifully crafted that it has this halo glow going on the body. And I love how the product comes out through this oozing tube. It's very travel friendly as well, and the product does magic. It has a beautiful texture. It spreads on the skin beautifully. So this is a great option if you are looking for a daytime moisturizer, which is also a primer and can be a great under base for your foundation. Highly recommend. Moving on to my next favorite product. I cannot do without this when I'm stepping out during the daytime. This is my Maybelline tint, which has SPF 50, which is impeccable. The coverage it gives is impeccable. I totally love it, highly recommend it. It's available in a lot of shades, so go check it out because this one is not going to disappoint you. This right here is a Maybelline Fit Me foundation in a tube form. It's same as the one in the bottle of glass, and I totally love this. I cannot recommend it enough because this is my holy grail foundation in budget category. I totally love it. So much love it. Talking about Fit Me foundation, I cannot skip the Fit Me powder. This one is a great option for that finely milled, absolutely set makeup look. You cannot go wrong with this one. I have an oily to combination skin and it turns very oily during the summer. So I was looking for a product which can do miracles for my skin during the day. So I found out this amazing product by Rene. This is an oil pulling stick, which is a great find, I tell you. All you have to do is take out the product like so. It looks like a fat lipstick and it comes with its own sealed cover. You have to just take out the product, and once you think you are oily enough to make it matte, go ahead and use it all over your face and you will be amazed with how matte your face suddenly starts looking with this one product. So this is a must have for every oily combination, oily skin girl. This you can't get wrong with this. I totally love it and highly recommend it. I was talking about good base makeup products, so I cannot stress enough on the Rene. This is my holy grail primer. This is from Rene and this one is called Bollywood Filter, and rightly so. It gives you a filtered look. All your pores seem to vanish once you start applying this, and over this you do your foundation or do your tint. It's gonna look so flawless because this one is here to stay on your skin, at the same time give you that flawless filter finish. I totally love it, highly recommend it. Talking about a lot of Rene today because Rene is doing wonders with its new launches. This one is a lip gloss, which is clear lip gloss thing. This is how it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous, and this is how it looks like before tampering it. I wanted to show you guys in this video. This is an absolutely a bliss of a product. This is so gorgeous because it can light up any look, make it completely glam with just a use on this. Moving on to the next product, which is again from Rene. I'm sorry if you don't like Rene, you will start loving it because this video has some gems from the brand Rene. And this is their PH lip gloss. They also have a PH lipstick. Take your pick, whichever you like. I really recommend this for your casual outings, like if you're going out for a walk or if you're going out for grocery shopping. This can be your best bet because it changes color on person to person. This is a pH balanced lip gloss. That means it will change its color according to your pH balance of body and your skin. You will be amazed on how beautifully it changes color on you. You apply it, once you apply it, it's transparent, and with time it will start getting pink. And so on some people it gets into purple. Depending on your pH balance, it changes color. It's beautiful. This is the last product from Rene in this video. There are lots more coming up. Keep watching. So this is the Rene Fab 5, and this again is one of the one of the oldest products Rene had launched. This is the Fab 5 lipstick. This has 5 shades as you can see, and all of them are distinct from one another and they look so good. They have a beautiful dark texture and they are very smooth. You can see if I apply it right now. This is the first shade on my hand and this looks absolutely gorgeous with a single swipe. It's very well pigmented, very buttery. At the same time, it settles into somewhat like matte but not completely matte. Once you wear it and leave it for some time, it will settle down beautifully. It has some amazing shades. Now let's talk about two of my favorite lipsticks which I love to travel with. This and this. So this one is a Swiss Beauty lip palette. You can see there are so many shades inside. And this is the Rene Fab 5. This is a more compact option for your daily carry in your bag, and this is a great option for your travel, holiday, destination plans and all that. So it's a lovely one because it has some beautiful shades. This is how the palette looks like. It has 10 different shades. It does not come with a brush. I use quite a bit of these when I travel out, because these are all together in one single palette in a compact form, so it goes into my suitcase and it's good to go, because it has maroon, red, coral, nude and some more mix and match kind of a shades. I absolutely love the finish. It is very pigmented and very buttery. It slides on the lips beautifully. I just take my finger sometimes and put a light tinted for matte also, and when I want a deeper color payoff, I take a brush and use it. It's an absolute gem of a product. You can give this a try. Now I have 3 different sunscreens from 3 different brands. Here they are. This one is Aqualogica, completely finished. बिल्कुल खाली है ये अभी. मैंने सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए रखा था इस वीडियो के लिए. So here it is. It's an absolute gem. It's a matte finish sunscreen, SPF 50. I have thoroughly used it in my recent vacation. I highly recommend it. Then moving on to a dewy finish. This one is from Dot & Key. This one is a pomegranate format, and this has vitamin D better absorb. This has no white cast. The previous one also had no white cast. And it has UVA, UVB, blue light, IR protection filters, fragrance free, matte finish, dewy finish, fragrance free, absolutely gorgeous when it comes to your transitional weather period. It's an absolute gem. I totally recommend it for people who have normal skin, and people who do not have a lot of oily skin can definitely try this. It's a lovely one. Hardly kuch bacha hai isme, all is finished. Moving on to the last sunscreen. This one is an absolute new one. I've got this one from this one from Dr. Shades. I've heard great reviews about this sunscreen. This one is ceramide and vitamin C. Ceramides are very important building blocks of your skin and for fuller, plumpier skin. So I thought of giving this a try this time. I absolutely am very excited for this. I will keep you posted on how this works on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. My ID is Not Only Makeup Blog, and check out the caption for all the details of these product links. These are absolutely my favorite products. Moving on to the next product. This brand is all over the internet. I'm talking about Wishcare. Wishcare के बहुत से products अभी famous हो रखे हैं internet पे. You must have seen. So I wanted to try out something very essential for my daily routine, which is an underarm roll-on. So this one says it has 5% AHA, 3% kojic acid, hyaluronic acid, licorice and cica, which is great for your uniformly colored underarms, and it has lightening effect. I do not like dark underarms for some reason. Call me racist, I don't care. Call me racist, that's okay, but I like nice and uniformly colored underarms. Uske liye I have got this. Going good so far. I'm using it for the last few days and I quite like it. And yeah, it's a good product. You can definitely give it a try. It's slightly costlier than your conventional underarm roll-ons, but quality has to be a little expensive, I think, in these days. So yeah, give this a try. So that was about the video, guys. बहुत सारे recommendations, बहुत सारे products I've shown you. Let me know which one do you like. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. सारे product के links आपको मिल जाएंगे description box में. Check करना मत भूलना, and डेफिनेटली वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और अपने किसी फ्रेंड के साथ इसे शेयर करना who wants to see some tried and tested recommendations in makeup and beauty category. I will see you next time super soon. Till then, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.